one. Ash, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, Ash.
Fucking bitches. Yeah, go ahead. Take a picture. Take a real good picture. Make sure I'm in it. Jeez.
547 ZSN. Ash? Yeah, he's attacking our stuff.
Look at their sign, dude. I'm not attacking you. I'm attacking their sign. Just that sign, man.
Yeah, and she was holding it. That's
They have a sign here. It's comparing gross noise.
He has on a gray shirt,
Yes,
like
dude, look
dragons
at
all over his shirt. He has on Velcro, like sandals and black shorts.
Yeah, stop! No.
Ash, chill out.
You start telling the truth. That's fucking wrong. You know, that's sick. It's fucking not for the slaying of the baby, but to compare the Holocaust of Hitler. Let me talk to them. Let me talk to the cops.
We're at Sunny Slope High School.
I was Jew and it offends me. And I asked them to take it down. Did you see me ripped it out of my
Abortion.
Get away from us.
He's assaulting us.
I dare
Ash.
you fucking call names. Call names. I'm fucking
Tell them we need a cop at Sunny Slope High School right now. Ash. Ash. Ash.
fucking psycho. That's right.
Ash. Ash.
Right now.
Like I seriously kill it. Kill. Kill them. Kill them. Yeah.
Ash. 547 ZSN. 547 ZSN.
547 what?
ZSN.
CSN.
No, Z. Z as in zoo. 547 ZSN.